I love Back to the Future. From its awesome looking car to its star-studded cast, there's not a lot to hate about it. But I'm not here today to talk about how iconic George McFly is, or the cool Easter egg about Twin Pie Mall turning into the Lone Pie Mall. No, I'm here today to talk about chemistry. So let's get right into it.
This is heavy duty, Doc. This is great. Does it run like on regular unleaded gasoline?
Unfortunately, no. It requires something with a little more kick. Plutonium.
Plutonium. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that this sucker is nuclear?
Hey, keep rolling there. No. This sucker's electrical. But I need a nuclear reaction to generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity I...
What did I just say?
The 1.21 gigawatts of electricity.
Okay, so
What the hell is a gigawatt?
a gigawatt is 10 to the 9th power watts. A watt is a measure of power. The formula being power is equal to work over change in time. Work is in joules and time is in seconds. But that's more physics. What interests me is how the 1.21 gigawatts is created using plutonium in a nuclear reaction. That's more chemistry. So, why do they use plutonium? Well, after some research, it seems that the most common form of plutonium would be plutonium-239 for its unstableness. Is unstableness even a real word? I don't know. Well, while it is usually more used in atomic weapons, there are cases of it being used in plants. More specifically, thermal spectrum nuclear reactors. So we can say Doc Brown definitely uses it. But the thing is that the reason why we don't really see plutonium being used is because of its half-life, which is less than that of uranium. Uranium has a way longer half-life. The half-life is the amount of time for half of the current amount of a substance to decay. But plutonium is 25,000 years. Now that's nothing to be ashamed of, but I'm pretty sure uranium's in the billions of years, which is why uranium is used. So how does this 1.21 gigawatts even created? I said something about a nuclear reaction before, right? What specific reaction are we talking about here? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're talking about nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is a splitting of a heavy, unstable nucleus into two lighter nuclei. Since this process is used most in nuclear plants, I am suggesting that Doc Brown is using the same thing for his time machine, as many others have theorized. The way it works is that an unstable plutonium atom, this being the isotope plutonium-239, is combined with another unstable plutonium atom, perhaps another isotope. And when they both combine, it creates a nuclear reaction that releases so much energy, in fact enough to make 1.21 gigawatts. Now, when numbers get that big, it kind of gets hard to visualize that. So, what exactly can 1.21 gigawatts power? Well, after doing some research, I found out that it can power 700,000 homes. Now that is suggesting certain constants, such as how much power is being used daily, but the point is that it's possible. If there's one thing I really want besides the time machine from this movie, it would probably be the Mr. Fusion energy converter. I mean, they're producing 1.21 gigawatts off of one banana peel. That's crazy. That means you could power 700,000 homes, which is the power of one banana peel. That's all for today, folks. See you next time.